Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my 24-hour traffic blitz review and $3,297 bonus for you guys. Now, this is a very cool, simple and easy to implement method by two of my favorite marketers, Fergal Downes and Aidan Corkery. Now, I've released a bunch of different products with both Fergal and Aidan, and actually Fergal was the one who got me into launching products. So I launched my first product ever back in 2013 with him. So both of these guys are the real deal, and what they are doing is what you should be doing. And the cool thing is that you can get in for a silly low one-time price, and they talk about everything: funnels, traffic, free traffic, paid traffic to scale up, etc. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this 24-hour traffic blitz review. And as you can see, this is the sales page and it says 24-hour traffic blitz. Steal our done for you passive profit funnels and use our little known free traffic blitz method to make money while you sleep. Let's scroll down again. Aidan Corkery, Fergal Downes and Noel Cunningham. These are the three guys. All three of them are actually Irish, so they are the team green. Just a side fact, and they have tons of proof behind it. And the cool thing is that they will actually show you how to get recurring income. So you'll be using funnels that once you make a sale, you're going to be making recurring sales every single month. So that's passive income. As you can see, Fergal made $59 here, $347 here, $970 here, $2,000 here. So again, you only have to get the sale once, and then the sales will start rolling in every single month. So it's not like you make the sale once and that's it, then you have to worry about making these sales over and over and over again. You only have to make the sale once, and you get to enjoy the passive recurring income. So again, 24-hour traffic blitz, that's the name of this new product. Scrolling down here, some more proof. Obviously these guys will have some testimonials here, and the cool thing is that actually they interviewed their students which are currently using this funnel, and the students are making money. So obviously this stuff works both for these guys and their students, and free interviews are included. So I'm going to show you that in a second. More proof, more testimonials, all of the bonuses mentioned here, and you're going to get my bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. Let's check out the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is a video course, everything in a step-by-step format, easy to understand, easy to go through. So as you can see, we have the overview video, and then we have 4 interviews. Okay, so this is proof that this stuff works not only for Fergal and Aidan and Noel, but it works for their students. So total newbies started using these funnels with the traffic sources that these guys talk about, and they saw real results, and they are showing all of their results in the case study interview. So we have Winston, Samir, Devon and Yogesh. So these are the 4 successful students. Then we have done for you products, we have ClickBank setup, Facebook setup, joining Facebook groups and adding buyer friends. So this is how you actually generate traffic. That's just one of the ways. Building engagement, viral groups, viral posts, contacting people, repeat every 2 days, and conclusion. So again, everything that you need to start making money is included, and they will actually give you the done for you funnels that they use themselves, and these funnels are just generating these recurring sales. Okay, and again, traffic training is included. So I'm not going to be showing you each video individually, but this is what you're getting: 15 videos. You can go through all of this in less than 2 hours, start implementing, and again, this is recurring sales, which I absolutely love. So that's the 24-hour traffic blitz members area. Let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, 24-hour traffic blitz will be $9 with the early bird price. After the launch, it'll be $14.95. So you get a cool $6 off if you'll decide to pick it up early with the early bird. Everything I showed you is included in the main product. Now 24-hour traffic blitz audio number 1 is the done for you bundle, $37. This is guaranteed approval to promote high converting affiliate offers, 10x your results, done for you eye grabbing voucher images, high engagement posts, many chat follow-up sequences, and done for you lead magnets. So just a massive done for you package, $37. 24-hour traffic blitz audio number 2, we have buyer extractor case studies. So additional case studies for just $17, and these are free extra case studies, okay? 24-hour traffic blitz audio number 3, we have done for you buyer bot. So that's $197. And this is 2 completely done for you bot sequences, 2 completely done for you bonus review pages, and 100% commissions on 2 top quality digital products. Okay, so essentially a reseller's license, but to 2 products instead of 1. So that's $197, a little bit more expensive, but you are actually getting a bunch of stuff. So both done for you and resellers. And 24-hour traffic blitz audio number 4, one-on-one coaching, just $97, and essentially you can be coached by these guys, and it's a super low price. So that's the funnel. And again, if you want to grab it for just $9, make sure to show up early, and early is on the 4th of May at 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so if you want to get all of the bonuses that I'm about to mention, make sure to pick it up through my link. And to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page. It's all cooking, so you're gonna get my bonuses wherever you click. Okay, so first of all, I got a bunch of exclusive bonuses from Fergal and Aidan, and these bonuses are for my subscribers only. Okay, so you're gonna get email marketing specialist certified, a great bonus especially for a 24-hour traffic blitz, a quick affiliate sniper, that's a W's of the Day awarded product, traffic problem solved, broadcast marketing, Pinnacle, snowball traffic, EZP. These are all W's of the Day awarded products from Fergal and Aidan. Again, these are exclusive for my subscribers only, and I'm going to give you my W's of the Day awarded products on top of it. So Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me Income Booster, Reseller's License to Flip Me, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and software. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Asian Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, WP Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and Courses plugin. That's 44 bonuses so far, but on top of all this, I'm going to give you my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, which means that you're getting a total of almost 100 bonuses, and they are worth $3,297. Now, these are free bonuses. Again, all you have to do is just pick up 24-hour traffic blitz through my link. You have all these blue links right here on my blog, so just click on anyone and all of these will be cookied. Or again, if you're watching on YouTube, you can click the second link in the description to go directly to the sales page after 11 a.m. Eastern on May 4th, or the first link in the description will take you to my blog. Now guys, before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to purchase history, find 24-hour traffic blitz amongst your purchases, click on it, and below the button that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim the bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. And guys, I really like this product because first of all, it is by 2 or 3 amazing marketers. 2 with them I worked one-on-one. Fergal is the one that actually allowed me to have this internet marketing career. You know, he launched, we launched a bunch of products together, but I think out of the first 5, I launched 3 with him. So he's the real deal. You know, this funnel that they are using is amazing. It's all about recurring sales, passive income, and free traffic. So it really gets 2 thumbs up from me. Make sure to pick it up from my link. 11 a.m. Eastern on May 4th is when it goes live. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.